Hello, welcome to Camaro Mods channel. Hoping everybody's having a great day and staying safe out there. Today we're putting on Mgp brake caliper covers. And look at all the different colors you can get. Yellows, blues, greens, blacks, light blue, white, got a couple different colors of blues. Okay, you can get these on eBay for around $250 on eBay. I haven't checked on Amazon, their price. But you get a set of 4 and you get all the hardware to mount them with. They mount with tabs on the back. They're welded in. These are all powder coated. And then the letters are all painted in. On the back here it says F for the fronts, the bigger ones for the fronts, the smaller ones for the back. Back one says rear, has an R on it. We're going to pull the wheels off so it'll make installation easier and you'll be able to see better what I'm doing, but it's probably best that you do take the wheels off. See, there's enough gap in these wheels right here that you can slip it in there and then tighten them down. But if you got a squealing noise because these clips are touching your top of your rotors, then you'll probably have to wind up taking it off anyway. So it's best just to do it right the first time. I'm going to do a before and after shot on before I put these on. I'm sure it's going to make a world of difference. It's going to make it look a lot better. I always thought about taking them and painting the calipers, but this is these look so much better. These are also made in America. It's nice to buy American products when you can get them. So let's go over the car and let's get that thing jacked up and take some wheels off and let's see what these things look like. Okay, this is the front wheel before the covers. Do a test fit on it. Get the clips out. Looks like all the clips are the same. Install the top one first. Just hand tighten it. Get the bottom clip on next. Probably I'll loosen the bolt up a little bit. Just snug them up good. Now you want to check your clearances. The top of your rotor here, where this clip goes down in there, look like there's at least 1/4 of an inch. So there's no need for a feeler gauge on that one. Same way at the bottom. I've got plenty of room. It's starting to get a little rust on them. Time to get this thing out. Start to get humidity again. Okay, that's going to do the first one. That's on the front driver's side. wheel put back on. Okay, there's the front driver's side after photo. That really dresses them up. Okay, now we'll go to the next one. The rear driver's side. And this is the back wheel before the covers. By the way, these lug nuts do get messed up whenever you use an impact wrench, so keep that in mind. I got another hose set coming. They will get scratched up. But I got another set coming. I'll just put them on individually by themselves. Okay, I'll do a test fit on these. Loosen up your 3/8 nut. They're fitting nice and tight, nice and snug. These here, you gotta take the nuts clear off. Yeah, I'll just snug these up. They don't have to be real tight. Okay, that's good and snug on there. Get that wheel put on there. Okay, there's the after on the driver's side back wheel. Yeah, I know the car needs a good wash. Alright, thanks for watching.